still making this mistake I see most students doing? 30 tips for the PSLE Oral in 30 days. I'm Coach Hakim. Follow along these 30 days to completely transform your marks for the PSLE Oral. Let's go. Today is day 11 and I want to go through something that will absolutely change your oral score. Most students make the mistake of reading way too many times during the 5 minutes practice. They do this because they don't know what to do with the picture. These are the steps that my students use from the A for Oral Masterclass. Number 1. Look at the small, important details. This should only take you a couple of seconds. Step 2. Think of possible questions. This helps you mentally prepare for what the teacher might ask. And step number 3. Consider the possible topics. Every picture will have a couple of topics related or similar to it. If you want the exact steps, plus a further breakdown of how this can be done, comment PREP and I'll send you an in-depth video explaining this further. So that's day number 11. Follow me on your favorite social media platforms to learn more. And I'll see you at my next masterclass. I can't wait to hear about your A for Oral.